We've always assumed life on Earth began on Earth. That lightning struck a primordial soup, and from that, cells, creatures, consciousness. But what if that story is wrong? What if the spark of life came from somewhere else? This is the theory of panspermia, the idea that life didn't begin here but arrived here. That we are, in a very real sense, aliens. Panspermia suggests that life, or the building blocks of it, came to Earth from somewhere else in the universe, carried on comets, asteroids, or even space dust. Tiny organisms, like bacteria, surviving the ride, crashing into a newborn Earth, and seeding life. Sound wild? It is, but it's not science fiction, it's a real hypothesis scientists are actively studying. We've already found microbes on Earth that survive in space-like conditions: extreme cold, radiation, zero oxygen. Some bacteria can go dormant for millions of years, waiting for the right conditions. And yes, meteorites from Mars have landed here. So if life existed there, even once, it could have hitchhiked to Earth. Aliens? Maybe. Tiny, single-celled ancient aliens. If panspermia is true, it means life didn't begin on Earth, it began somewhere else, and Earth is just one chapter in a much older story. This theory would explain one of the great mysteries of biology, why life on Earth appeared so quickly after the planet cooled. Within a few 100 million years, complex organic molecules and early cells were already forming. That's fast, suspiciously fast. It might also explain why life here is so uniform. Every living thing on Earth, from moss to humans to mushrooms, shares the same basic genetic code. What if we're all descended from the same seed? But panspermia raises deeper, wilder questions. If life can travel between planets, has it done so elsewhere? Could we share DNA with life forms across the galaxy? If we find microbes on Mars or Europa, will they be our cousins? Or flip the idea, what if Earth is the seed? What if early Earth life was blasted away by asteroid strikes and carried through the cosmos? Maybe we're not the result of panspermia. Maybe we're its source. Here's the real mind-bender. If panspermia is true, then life in the universe might not be rare at all. It might be inevitable, persistent, traveling across star systems waiting for a chance to bloom. It turns life from a miracle into a pattern, a cosmic virus, or a gift. We may never know if life began here or arrived on the wind of a distant star, but the theory of panspermia reminds us, we are not separate from the universe. We are part of it, born from it, maybe even sent by it. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, you might be looking homeward. And remember to stay curious, stay Earthwise and otherwise for more cosmic curveballs.